Hello friends, when we put a phone on a wireless charger in a car, first of all, we need to ensure that there's nothing between the phone and the charger. There was a case with a credit card that was broken. It was in a place of the charger, and the phone was placed on top of it. As a result, the card was broken. First of all, we need to ensure that there is nothing between the phone and the charger. No coins that heat up or nothing at all. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.